Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel Mobile World. Subscribe my YouTube channel and like and comment on a video. Thank you for visiting my YouTube channel. Subscribe my channel and press the bell icon for more videos and connect it to my YouTube channel. If you have any problem about a mobile tech, so please comment on my YouTube channel. I will get the solution of the problem. Thank you. Let's start a video. In today's video we are discussing about a special option in a mobile phone display, which is eye protector. If we used a mobile phone in night time or in our bed, so it is very dangerous for eyes. Many people lost their eyesight due to the mobile brightness. So how we save our eyes from the mobile phone screen light? So for this, first of all, we are going to scrolling down the mobile phone display, and again scroll down and go to the right side of the mobile phone and click on eye care. So the mobile phone eye care, the intensity of the mobile phone, the screen of the mobile phone is become yellow, and if I increase the intensity of it, so the mobile phone is more yellow, and if I decrease it, so it become a white schedule. Eye care tints your screen amber. This makes it easier to look at your screen or read in dim light and may help you fall asleep more easily. So these all facilities are available in our mobile phone, but many people does not use it because he does not know about these all facilities. So we are going to making these type of videos about a mobile tech for more information giving to the people. So subscribe my YouTube channel and press the bell icon and visiting my YouTube videos for more information and use mobile phone safer. So this is my YouTube video today. Thank you for visiting my YouTube channel.